Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Fidelity automatic investments using an easy method. We'll walk through the simple steps to get your money working for you consistently. Setting up automatic contributions is a powerful way to build wealth over time without constant manual effort. This approach helps you stay disciplined and reach your financial goals more efficiently. Let's get started on making your investing journey smoother. First, you'll need to log into your Fidelity account on their website. Once you're logged in, navigate to the main menu. Look for the section labeled Transfers and Payments. This is where you'll find all the options related to moving money in and out of your accounts. From there, simply select Set up Automatic Investments to begin the process. It's a straightforward path to financial automation. Now, it's time to customize your automatic investment plan. You'll be prompted to choose which Fidelity account you want these regular transfers to go into. Next, decide on the specific amount you wish to invest with each contribution. Finally, select your preferred frequency, whether that's weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. This flexibility allows you to tailor the plan to your personal budget and financial strategy. Before you finalize everything, take a moment to carefully review all the details of your automatic investment setup. Double-check the account, amount, and frequency to ensure everything is correct. Once you're satisfied, simply confirm the setup to activate your new plan. Congratulations, you've just taken a significant step towards consistent wealth building. Also, life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener. Check the description below for a link to that and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.